Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update, June 16 to 30, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang. So let's see, energy update. What's coming to you, Gemini? And of course, it's still Gemini season. Happy birthday. Happy solar return. I wish you all the best in life. Happiness, success, good health. Ayan. So let's see, Gemini. What's up? What's up with you ngayong June 16 to 30? Second half ng June. Wow. Things are moving forward. There's growth. You have the Fool. This is a new experience, no? Maaring medyo magiging risk taker ka ngayon, June 16 to 30. You will try new things. You will try to experience yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa na-try before. You have the Page of Swords. I think some of you learning something new, no? You want to learn something new. You want to explore. Pwedeng nakikita mo to sa TikTok, sa social media na, uy, try ko nga yun. You have the King of Swords, and then the Knight of Swords. Wow. So I think, Gemini, you're becoming more logical in making decisions right now. Nagiging maingat ka rin sa mga gagawin mo. Kumbaga, kung hindi ka sigurado, you're not gonna do that, no? Pero kung sure na sure ka, definitely, you will take action. So your overall energy, second half ng June, is the Wheel of Fortune. So, delays are over. Tapos na ang delays. Tapos na ang paghihintay. Ayan, you are moving on, moving forward. So, halimbawa, meron ka mga inaasikaso, paperworks, documentations, permits, na kailangan mong hintayin, no? So, second half ng June, meron na yung resulta. Meron ng update yan. Okay? You also have the Seven of Wands as your challenge. So, I think you're going to set boundaries. Kumbaga, you will protect your energies dahil maaring may mga taong nagtatry na i-influence ka in a negative way, no? So, it's time for you to protect yourself. Okay? And then your opportunity is the Three of Pentacles. So this is opportunity to grow, opportunity to try new things, collaboration, pakikipagtrabaho sa ibang tao, iba sa inyo mas nag-grow yung inyong trabaho, maaring meron kayong marireceive na salary increase, or yung iba naman, promotion. Some of you, if you are a content creator, you will receive more collaborations, paid partnerships that will also increase your finances, no, your income. So sa blessing mo naman, you have the Eight of Wands. May good news na parating sa'yo, Gemini. So this good news may come from abroad or a far place. Maaring yung hinihintay mo na magme-message sa'yo, magme-message na, or magre-reach out na sa'yo, makikipag-communicate na. Okay? Some of you naman, blessing to of travel opportunities. So for your money, career, finances, you have the Magician and the Queen of Wands. Wow. You are tapping into your talents, your skills, your creativity. You are stepping into your own power. Okay? So, kumbaga, there's no stopping you kasi yung iba sa inyo gusto nyo maging business owner. So, yung pagiging creative ninyo, gagamitin nyo sa business ninyo. And maaring itong business na to related sa mga talento nyo, sa skill set nyo. So, it's going to be much easier para sa inyo na i-manage yan. For some of you, kung kayo naman ay employed, maaring may training, no? May pa-training sa'yo, pwedeng sa ibang bansa, ikaw yung ipipiliing ipadala sa ibang bansa as a representative ng company to have the training or a seminar or a convention wherein meron ka matututunan na bago. Sa love life naman, you have the Nine of Cups and the Queen of Swords. You will, meron ka mga iiwasan na mga negative na tao about your relationship, and you will focus on having fun with your romantic partner. Maari kasing may mga tao na hindi sang-ayon, hindi boto sa relationship mo, but I think you will choose to be happy. For as long as you're happy with your person, yung mga opinion ng ibang tao, it doesn't matter. Okay? And some of you may cut off connections sa mga taong uh, talagang trying to bring you down. Na parang if they don't approve, no, hindi sila nag-approve sa mga choices mo sa relationship, then that's fine para sa'yo. And kumbaga, you will just cut off connection sa kanila. Let's see what else. What is the Wheel of Fortune? What is the Wheel of Fortune? You have the Temperance card. Oh my God. So, ito yung matagal mo nang hinihintay. Darating na. So, kanya-kanya yan kung ano yung mga matatagal nyo nang hinihintay dyan. Whatever resonates sa inyo, it's coming. And then, there's also healing here. Maaring you are starting to move on, move forward. Lalo na kung may mga past disappointments ka, whether sa trabaho yan, sa career, sa relationship. So ngayon, you are healing from that and you are focusing on your peace of mind. Kaya nga, you are setting boundaries. King of Pentacles, you are really focused on your money, your career, your finances. Let's see, what is the Three of Pentacles? You have the Emperor. Some of you, business opportunities talaga to. Or meron kang pagkakataon na maging close sa isang mataas na opisyal sa work ninyo, sa business, that will really help you na mas mag-expand ng iyong experience, career, business. Eight of Wands is the Ten of Staves. So a lot of work this second half of June, but I think this is going to be worth it, lalo na kung if it involves traveling, that you will have to travel to a lot of places. So, medyo nakakapagod siya, but it's going to be worth it. What is the Magician? You have the Eight of Staves, Queen of Wands. Wow! New opportunities. Yung iba sa inyo may bagong work, may bagong business, at kung ito ay bagong business, no, I see a lot of maraming mga customers, buyers, clients coming in sa inyo. Lalo na kung magsisimula ka naman para yung mga soft opening, ganyan, or yung launching ninyo, maraming makakapansin, maraming mag-a-avail ng services, bibili ng goods, so whatever you are focused on, especially if you are into business right now. Pero kung wala ka pang business at nagugustuhan mong magsimula, this is the best time for you to do that, okay? Be more inspired. So, sa love life, Nine of Cups, Two of Staves. I feel like, you will have time to travel with your person, with your romantic person. Mas marami kayong pupuntahan ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo, yung mga kina-cut off niyo na tao sa buhay ninyo, ay naging malapit din sa inyo. Kaya parang ang hirap, no? Kaya lang hindi nyo lang maintindihan bakit they are not approving your love life. Maybe because siguro yung iba, feeling nila it is their way to protect you. Okay? Never-ending story. Meron ditong cycle na paulit-ulit na alam mong nasa stress ka na and you don't wanna deal with it anymore. So, you are escaping from that. Maalis ka na sa ganyang situation. You are leaving that situation. And paraan doon is to cut off people out of your life. So, like what I mentioned kanina, you're going to be more creative. Yung mga ideas mo, you will make it happen. You will make it real. Okay? So, I think mas ka ngayon, inspired. You are inspired to do the things na gusto mo na talagang gawin, like mga ideas mo na lagi na lang idea before. So now it's your time to make it happen. What else? Initiation, so 'di ba? You're taking that first step. Be open through this transitional time. So merong mga pagbabago, new experiences coming in sa'yo. Lalo na kung meron kang mga inaalis na stressful situation sa buhay mo or tao sa buhay mo, At alam mong nagiging cycle na lang paulit-ulit but walang nagiging improvement. So, might as well detach yourself from that and focus on a new beginning and take that action. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.